Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see my location on Google Maps. So guys, let's continue into Google Maps. And then guys, you can see there is an icon, a question mark within the circle. So tap on it. Now you have to turn on your device location. So tap on OK. Now again tap on the circle. And after that, Google Maps will automatically move to your location and you can see your location. The blue sign of home is your current location. So guys, that's how you can see my location on Google Maps very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.